In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Breadcrumbs in Views. Whether you're new to ClickUp or looking to optimize your productivity, understanding the breadcrumb feature is essential. So, let's dive in and get started on this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to ClickUp's official website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in clickup.com to get to the home page. It's always refreshing to see how ClickUp blends software, AI, and human elements to maximize productivity. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. After clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you're frequently visiting ClickUp, you might see an option to continue as your name. Selecting this option streamlines the process and gets you straight into the heart of ClickUp where you can get started. Once logged in, take notice of the Get Started with ClickUp button. Clicking on this takes you to your workspace, where you can begin setting up or organizing your tasks. As you move forward, you'll see the option to highlight different areas. This feature aids you in quickly identifying the parts of your work that need immediate attention. Now, here comes the customization part. You can tailor the breadcrumbs according to your needs. This means you can adjust how tasks are displayed depending on what's most critical for you. Customizing your task location might be particularly handy if you're managing multiple projects at once or if you're part of a team. While you're customizing, ensure to look out for the More Options button. This is a great tool when you want to delve deeper into task management. For added efficiency, you also have the option to customize for subtasks. Subtasks can often become overwhelming if not managed properly, so taking advantage of this customization ensures that everything stays organized. At any point, if you wish to check the subtasks, simply click on the Subtasks option. You will also see options labeled To Do and Expanded. Clicking on these will provide a comprehensive view of what needs to be accomplished and offer insights into expanded task details. If you require further separation of your breadcrumbs, the Separate option will be your go-to. This allows you to view tasks and subtasks as distinct entities, adding clarity to your workflow. Finally, remember that you always have the flexibility to turn off any customization you've set. The ability to toggle customization on or off is useful when you want to return to the default view or make quick comparisons. And that wraps up our guide on using ClickUp Breadcrumbs in Views. By following these steps, you'll harness the full power of ClickUp to keep your projects running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to experiment with these features to find the perfect setup that works for you.